Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alexa and we are the Vigers. We sold our house, bought an RV, and we have been traveling the country with our 2 kids and our dog. We are currently in Florida for the winter. This is a video back from around Thanksgiving when we were in Ocala, and actually a funny story. Before we even left to come to Florida, we were watching Netflix the one day, and Derek, my husband, saw a documentary about this state park in Florida where you could go and actually see a bunch of wild monkeys. So we found out it was Silver Springs State Park, and it was right near where we were staying in Ocala. So we were super excited. Unfortunately, we didn't see any monkeys, but if you watch till the end, we did see something really cool at the Glass Bottom Boat Tour. Overall, the state park is just a great place to go if you're in this area. So much to do for the kids, little hopscotch and things for them to play on, and just a bunch of stuff to look at. So many wild animals, whether it's alligators, birds, fish, and they had a blast just walking around. There was a bunch of those little boards where you can put your faces in, and it was just a great place to just get outside and do something different with the kids. So if you're ever in Ocala, or if you've ever been there, let me know in the comments, and also let me know if you saw any monkeys while you were there, because I'm curious if they actually do show up. Whoa. That is pretty cool. A froggy slide? Whoa. Go Oakley. Woohoo! Yay! It's so fun.
You're a lizard whisperer.
And then if he jumps off, and then he can jump off.
So thank you for coming today. We appreciate it. Now, 850 million gallons of fresh, pure, clean drinking water flows out of these springs every 24 hours. That water is 99.8% pure and 72 degrees all year round. It flows at a current of about 5 miles an hour, where it flows to the Ocklawaha River. So this river does flow north, goes to the Ocklawaha. 150 miles all the way.
Did you see it?
It's your letter. Oh, hi, buddy. You've been doing that all day long, flipping upside down and showing her belly. And then you have to That's the same guy that's been doing this to me all day. He keeps trying to eat the algae off the water. Oh, there he is.
It's eating all the seafood. See it?
No, they look like they're smaller because of that glass and because of the water. They're actually big. When they come up, they're pretty big. No, I know, because these are all resident manatees, and we're very, very careful here, but most of the ones on the Banana River, oh man, that's where I saw them when I was French, and they just look like
Thank you all again so much for following along. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for our video next week. Happy travels and God bless y'all.